Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. On this video, I'll be sharing with you 2 easy ways to cook fish fillet at home, both ways pan fried. And I'm going to start with this method, the easiest method. Just add oil to a pan like you see on the video, and then after that, go ahead and add salt to taste depending on the size of the fish fillet that you're going to cook. And after that, you're just going to spread the salt to mix with the oil evenly, and remember that the flame should be on medium high. And after the oil is hot like you see on the video, reduce the flame to low and then add your fish fillet like you see here. Keep turning just to make sure that the sides cook evenly. Remember, if the heat is too high, the fish fillet is not going to cook evenly on the inside, and if it is too low, the fish fillet might not cook, might absorb a lot of oil before cooking. And as it continues to cook, just go ahead and spread some oil on the other side of the fish fillet. Remember, this fish fillet does not take long to cook. In about 7 minutes each side, the fish fillet will be ready. Now you're going to turn to the other side like you see here on the video, carefully not to break the fillet, ensuring that you also keep moving it from one side of the pan to the other just to make sure that the sides are fully cooked. And also remember to press down just to make sure that excess oils are being removed and into the pan. And this is how the fish fillet has turned. I like mine to be golden brown. It took me approximately 15 minutes to cook it. Each side was about 7 to 8 minutes and the fish fillet was ready. Just turn to the other side and you can see that it is golden brown and it is cooked on the inside. It is so easy to make this fish fillet. I hope you try it, and now let's move on to recipe 2. Now, method 2 is for the people that like their fillets to be spicier, and method 1 is for those who like simple fish fillet taste. So I just took my fish fillet like you can see here and then placed it on a kitchen towel just to get rid of any excess water, any excess moisture before moving on to the next step. Just ensure that you pat dry the fish fillet like you see here on the video, just to ensure that it gets all the spices that that you're going to add. And here are the spices that I added. You can see I have written them on the screen. You can change that with your preferred spices. You can use fish masala, you can even add chili if you like. I also added a few drops of soy sauce like you see, and then went ahead to mix. If you've got lemon juice, you can add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, but I didn't, so I just went ahead and added 1 tablespoon of vinegar. So just go ahead, mix everything like you can see here, and the marinade will be ready. And then you're going to take your fish fillet. Remember, your hands should be clean, and then you're just going to apply just ensure that the fish fillet is covered with the marinade like you see here. Turn the sides just to cover any parts that have been left untouched. And after doing that, you're just going to cover the fish fillet like you see, and then I left mine for 30 minutes just to absorb the flavors from the spices. And after that, onto a hot pan with a small amount of cooking oil, I put the fish fillet like you can see. And we're using the same process of cooking like we cooked the first one. Just be sure to turn it to the other side carefully, not to break it, because remember this one has spices, so it is kind of wet. And also when you're putting it on the oil, sometimes it smokes because of the spices. So do it carefully like you see, and then cook on a low to medium flame like you see. Keep turning. 7 minutes on each side, it should be ready. And these fish fillet recipes are so easy, quick fix. You can do it whenever you are in a hurry, whenever you want to get something delicious for your family or for your children. And I like to serve mine with fries. You can do so with any meal that you prefer. And my fish fillet was ready like you can see at this point. Thank you so much for watching. See you on my next video.